As we know that this solute is different types. It may be a solid solute, or maybe a liquid solute, or maybe a gaseous solute. Is it yes or no? So now it may be a liquid or maybe a gas. So now when you know that if the solid solute is dissolved in liquid, then we can use the mass percentage of solute in the given solution. So what is the concentration of solution formula by the time? In the case of solid, if the solid solute is dissolved, then the concentration of solution, which is equal to, what is the formula? Last class you have been studied, correct or not? What is that? Mass of solute divided by mass of solution. You are saying solvent, brothers?
Mass of solution into 100, sir.
100. So now, as we know that mass of solution means what, my thread? Mass of solution means what?
Sir, mass of solvent plus mass of solute.
Mass of solution is equals to mass of solvent
plus mass of solute
plus mass of solute. Is it yes or no? That is what mass of solute. So this is what we have been last class. Yes or no, guys? So concentration of a solution when a solid solute is dissolved in liquid, then we are using this formula to calculate it. Now, in our today's class, we are going to study if suppose a liquid solute is dissolved in liquid, then what is the formula and how we need to calculate the concentration of a solution. We are going to study. So please all of you write. The case of a liquid solute dissolved in a liquid solvent. The case of, what is that, my friend? Sai? The case of liquid solute dissolved in liquid solvent. Liquid solvent. So now we will see in this case how it will be present. Laksha, Tamil Selvan, Sai, Alana, good morning. So now in the case of liquid solute dissolved in liquid solvent, then how to find the concentration of a solute? That is what it is. So if it is solid, we can measure in we can measure in kilograms or grams. So that is what mass concentration. Now it is liquid. So liquids used to measure how? Liquids are used to measure how? Liquids are used to measure in volume. Is it yes or no? Liters we can use to measure, or milliliters we can measure. So if the solution is a liquid solute, if a solution is of a liquid solute dissolved in a liquid solvent, then we usually consider volume percentage of solute. What we should consider, Pradash? Sai?
Volume percentage of solute.
Remember, if liquid solute in liquid solvent, then we will consider what? Volume percentage of solute. Volume percentage of solute we can get. If it is solid, mass percentage of solute. Is it yes or no? Now it is liquid, so that we can say the percentage of solute, volume percentage of solute in determining the concentration of a solution. So in the case of a liquid solute dissolved in a liquid solvent, sir, how to find it, sir? Prados will find it for 1 liter. Yelamukil will find for 20 liters. Laksha will find for 100 liters. So we cannot find for a large amount of solution because it is very, very difficult to find the concentration. So that is why, like in solids, how many grams we have been taken, Sai, check the notes and tell me how many grams we have been tested. 100
grams, sir.
Correct or not? So here coming to the liquids, we can test for 100 milliliters of the solution. How much? 100 milliliters of the solution. That's all. Write it. The concentration of a solution is defined as the concentration of a solution. The concentration of a solution. The concentration of the solution is defined as the volume. What is that? Volume of solute in milliliters. What is that? In milliliters, volume of solute in milliliters, present in how much, Ra? Present in how much? Present in 100 milliliters of solution. 100 milliliters of solution. Do you guys understand what I'm saying? Yes or no? Respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? That is Shruti, are you understanding? Maitreyan, respond me. That is so. Tamil Selvan, you also 100 milliliters of solution. Now let us discuss in detail. For example, I will say 20% solution of alcohol means what is that? Can you able to say 20% alcohol? Suppose for example, I will say example. I can say 20% of alcohol. What do you mean by this? What do you mean by this, Pradosh? I'm saying 20% of alcohol. What do you mean by this? Maitreyan? 20% of alcohol means in the sense of what? Pradosh? No idea, Sai? Alana? So now 20% alcohol means what, Ra? Out of 100 ml. Suppose you can take. Yeah. So 20% of solution of alcohol means that 20 milliliters of alcohol present in how much, Ra? 100 milliliters of
100
solution.
milliliters of solution.
That's all. So that is what you have to say. So 20% of alcohol means 20 ml of alcohol is present in 100 ml of solution. How much it is? 100 ml of solution. That's all. That is only called as this is. So 20% alcohol means it's okay, Sai. So 20% alcohol means 20 ml of alcohol is present in 100 ml of solution. Now, how much is the solute? Can anybody say how much is the solvent? Solvent. Please find. I call to Monish and Elmokilra. Darun also. Pradosh. Call them. Maitreyan. Can you able to say? Suppose I am saying you have taken some kind of a solution which is equals to total 100 ml. Now in that I am saying 20 ml is solute. Solute means in the sense of alcohol.
Sir, 80 ml is solvent, sir.
Remaining is how much? Remaining solvent is how much? That is what I want. Solvent is equals to how much?
80 ml is solvent.
Solvent is equals to 80 ml. Is it yes or no? Because we know that 100 ml minus 20 ml, which is equals to what? 80 ml. This is what the solvent. Is it yes or no? This is solvent, this is solute, and this is the solution. This is solution, this is solvent, and this is the this is solute, and this is the solvent. Is it yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
You have to remember.
Yes, sir.
So, if you'll observe here, so based upon this only, we are going to find now the concentration of a solution. In the case of liquid solute is dissolved in liquid solvent, then the formula is concentration of a solution is equals to, write it all of you. Concentration of a solution is equals to concentration of a solution is equals to same, instead of mass you can keep volume. That's all. What will come? Volume of solute divided by volume of solution into 100. That's all, guys. Nothing will be there. Only instead of mass, who is coming? Volume is coming.
Volume.
So now volume of solution means what, Ra? Volume of solution. Volume of solution means what?
Volume of solute plus volume of solvent.
That's all. Volume of solute plus volume of solvent. All of you note it down till here. Any doubt? Anybody ask me? Clear? Laksha, Monish. So instead of mass, if it is solid, remember all of you, if they will ask you mass percentage means in the sense of who is dissolving, solid solute or liquid solute? Mass percentage means all of you remember solid solute. If it is volume percentage, it is called as what? Liquid solute. All of you should remember these two things. So whenever in exam they are asking you calculate mass percentage, Calculate. Note you can keep. So calculate mass percentage means in the sense of means solute is solid. Understand, Ra? What is the state of solute? Solid. Okay, guys. Now, whenever they will say calculate volume percentage, then that is called as what? Means in the sense of what, Ra? Means solute is in which state, Ra? Liquid.
Liquid
Liquid
state.
state.
Everybody must know it. Note it down till here, all of you. Manya, Samaya. Everybody, good morning. Good morning, Darun. Darun, good morning. Monish, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, note it down. So this is volume percentage. So whenever they are giving volume, so liquid solute is dissolving. That is called as volume. So formula is same. Just one word is changing. What is that word, Ra? Here, volume coming. There, mass is coming. Is it yes or no? So here you can observe.
Sir.
Mass of solute is coming here divided by mass of solution, but here it is coming what? Volume of solute divided by volume of solution into 100. That's all. Any doubt, anybody? Now if you understand this, now you can write the question, right? First question. A solution contains 50 ml of alcohol, 50 ml of alcohol, 50 ml of alcohol mixed with 150 ml of water. 50 ml of alcohol mixed with 150 ml of water. Sample question 1.
Once
Sir,
again,
mixed
repeat,
with-
sir.
Yeah. Right. A solution contains 50 ml of alcohol in 150 ml of water. 150 ml of water. 150 ml of water. Calculate the concentration of the solution. Calculate the concentration. Concentration of solution means what? Concentration of solute only. Is it yes or no? Whenever I am
Yes,
saying
sir.
concentration of solution means what it is? Concentration of solute. Amount of
Solute.
solute in water or some other thing. So all of you start finding. First write given data, neatly solve it. What is the given data? What is the amount of solute? Volume of solute is equals to
Well, sir.
volume of solute, which is equals to 50 ml. Volume of solvent,
150 ml, sir.
volume of solvent or solution. Monish, solvent, because
Solvent.
given. So 150 ml. Now what is the volume of solution? Anybody?
Sir, volume of
So
solute
150
plus
plus
volume of
50.
solvent.
Solution, which is equals to this, both we have to do addition. So 50 ml plus 150 ml, which is equals to what? Ra? Which is equals to
200, sir. 200
200
ml.
ml.
200 ml. This is the volume of solution. Now, what is the concentration of solution? Concentration of solution formula is what? Shruti?
Volume of solute by volume
Into
of
100.
solution.
Volume of solute by volume of solution into 100. Sir.
Volume of solute. Volume of solute divided by
Volume on solution.
volume of solution. Darun, respond. I think also. So substitute it, which is equals to what? 50 ml divided by 200 ml.
200 into 100.
So 51s are 54s are. ml will get cancelled. So 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 means what, guys? What amount is 4? 1 by 4 means 4?
No, sir.
Then
No,
what?
sir.
Then
200, sir. Sir, 25.
25.
Sir, 25.
Sir, answer. Sir,
0.25.
Sir,
0.
answer 25.
into 100
Sir, it's 25.
equals to 25%. So what is the
25.
concentration? What is the concentration of a solution? 25%. Understand, Ra? That is you have to write it. So 25% by what? 25% by volume. Understand? Means in the sense of what? 25% alcohol solution by volume. That is you have to write. 25% alcohol solution. Alcohol
Solution.
solution by what? By volume. You understand? That is you have to remember it. Okay, Ra, guys, clear?
Yes, sir.
You right now second
Sir.
one. Question, right? If 2 ml of acetone is present,
Sir, 1 second, sir.
right? Solve it. Take your time. Solve it, all of you. Laksha, call to Mani and Samya. Are you understand this one? Alana, this same chart is. Are you clear? This is volume percentage. Volume concentration. Before one is mass concentration. So whenever they are saying mass concentration or volume concentration, both are mass concentration of solute and mass concentration of volume concentration of solute only. That is you have to remember. In the case of solid solute means mass concentration. Liquid solute means volume concentration. Understand, Shruti? Bhavanish? That is.
Yes, sir.
Solve it. Next, second question. Right. If 2 ml of acetone is present in, if 2 ml of acetone is present in 45 ml of its aqueous solution. 45 ml of its aqueous solution. Aqueous solution means what? Already solution I am giving, dissolved state. Aqueous solution. Calculate the concentration of the solution. Calculate concentration of the solution. Directly here you can see I am giving directly solution here, not solvent. Is it yes or no? Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
That is the volume of solute. Volume of solute equals to how much? 2 ml. Directly I am giving you next volume of
Solution.
solution is equals to 45
ml.
Now they are asking concentration of solution. What is the concentration?
Volume of solute.
Volume of solute by
volume of solution into 100.
Wait. Laksha wants the question. Write the question, Laksha. Aqueous solution. When I'm saying aqueous means it is already dissolved state. Understand? So it is solution. We should consider as a solution. That is. So what is the formula? Volume of solute divided by
volume of solution into 100.
of solution. Tamil Selvan, respond me at Darun, you also, which is equals to how much? 2 ml divided by 45 into 100. Laksha, tell me, Laksha. Which is equals to what? ml will get cancelled. So 2 divided by 45 means how much, Ra? 45 into 100. So how much it is? Anybody? 2 ones are 2s are 4. Next 2 2s are 4.5. So 1 by 22.5 into 100. So that is all. You can do it fast. I can write it as a 1000 divided by 225. Is it yes or no, guys? Can I write it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now solve it all of you on how much it is. 1000 divided by 224. If we'll solve it, we used to get 4.4%. Is it yes or no? Check it. 4.4% by volume. What is that?
By volume.
4.444, sir.
4 you can take. That's all. Do it. Okay, sir. Okay, Laksha. Concentrate. Solve this question. Sai, all of you understand, Sai? That is concentration of the solution. Solve this question, all of you.
Sir.
Sir,
Okay, Laksha. This is the question. Solve it, all of you. I'm giving you 2 minutes time. Everybody must solve their own.
Complete, sir.
Yeah.
Please, sir.
Okay. Now, all of you should remember mass percentage also we can represent with m by m. How we can represent m by
M.
by M.
mass percentage, volume percentage v by v. But in industry, if we'll go, the concentration of a solution is expressed as percent by mass or percent by weight or mass. So you can remember percent by weight also if you'll go industry, because gravity is also matter. Mass and weight both are not same. Physics you will study. Is it yes or no? So that is why
Sir.
industry percent by weight also they can measure. Percent by weight. So this one we can represent with W by W. This is in the sense of what? By mass concentration of a solution by weight. Understand all of you? Next, if I'll say M by M, this is indicating what? Percentage by mass. All of you should remember. Suppose if I'll say V by V is the symbol which is indicating what? By
Volume.
So concentration by volume, concentration by mass, concentration by weight. All of you should remember. Is it okay, guys? Yes,
sir.
Now, suppose, for example, you can see in our sanitizers or something, when I will observe very carefully. For example, let me take milk of magnesia. You can see has words written on the label of the bottle containing approximately 8% of weight by weight of hydrated magnesium oxide. What we to write? Example, I am saying
Hydrated magnesium oxide, sir.
8% of weight by weight hydrated magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium hydroxide. Do you understand, Ra? Magnesium hydroxide.
Sir, what is that hydrated, sir?
Sorry, 1 minute. Magnesium oxide, not hydroxide. Remove that. Magnesium oxide, not hydroxide. Magnesium oxide. Now, what do you mean by hydrated? Remember, if any substance, if it contains water molecules, that is called as hydrated. Is it okay, brothers? If no water molecules,
Okay, sir.
water molecules is there, then that is called as unhydrated. What we should call? Unhydrated. That is you have to remember. Is it okay, all of you? Right. So 8% of W by W. Next time if you will purchase any kind of acidity drinks, if you are getting acidity drinks, majorly it contains milk of magnesia. What we should call?
Milk of magnesia.
So this milk of magnesia is a mixture. It is a mixture of magnesium hydroxide and water. Magnesium hydroxide and water. Understand? So in that, suppose if I'll say 8 by 8% of hydrated magnesium oxide, means the 8% of by weight, whatever the liquid you take, milk of magnesia. So what is the weight percent of hydrated magnesium oxide? 8% in that. Do you understand, Ra? You can take 1 liter or 2 liters or 2 kg, 5 kg, whatever it is. In that, 8% is what? Hydrated magnesium oxide. Understand, Ra? Hydrated magnesium oxide. Understand? So magnesium, hydrated magnesium oxide means only we should call it as, all of you should remember, this hydrated magnesium oxide is only called as magnesium hydroxide. What we should call? Is also known
magnesium hydroxide.
Understand? Magnesium hydroxide. What is the formula of magnesium hydroxide? This is MgOH twice. How to read this? MgOH twice. All of you read. What is that, Laksha? MgOH
twice.
MgOH twice. Understand? So this is only we can call it as what? Hydrated magnesium oxide. Hydrated magnesium oxide. So if you take the milk of magnesia, if you purchase, in that suppose I have taken 1 kg of milk of magnesia by weight. If I'll take 1 kg of milk of magnesia, in that 8%, who is present? Magnesium hydroxide.
Hydroxide.
Hydrated magnesium oxide. That is what it is. Do you understand, all of you? Note it down. Very, very important.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. All of you note it down. Hydrated means what? Water molecules are present. Unhydrated means no water molecules.
Sir, scroll up, sir.
Water?
Scroll up, sir.
Okay. All right. So in exam, it may become like a W by W or mass by mass or volume by volume. So for everything you have to remember, W by W means what? Weight by weight. Understand? M by M means mass by mass.
Mass by mass.
V means what? Volume by volume.
Volume.
That is you have to remember. Understand, Shruti, Alana, Laksha? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is what we should call as concentration of a solution. If you'll understand this, then we are going to study the most important concept in our life. Wherever you'll go, it will be useful in all the subjects. That is, those who are going to research field in future and etc. etc. That is what we should say. It is saturated and unsaturated solutions. What is that? Saturated and
unsaturated
solutions. So please, all of you keep reading. Very, very important concept. Saturated and unsaturated solutions. What is this? Saturated and unsaturated solutions. Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now.
Sir.
Yeah, let us discuss generally first. Later you guys can understand what is saturated and what is unsaturated. Understand, Ra? Yes, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now let us comes to here. The first one, let us discuss what is, suppose see, when we dissolve solute in a solvent, then we used to get something. What is that? Can you able to say? What we used to get if I'll dissolve solute in solvent, what I used to get?
The solution.
What I used to get? I used to get the solution. Now,
Solution.
this solute may be a solid or maybe liquid or gas. That is all we have been studied. Now, observe very carefully. So, whenever the solute is dissolved in solvent, we used to get what? Solution. So, solution is formed. So, we can dissolve different amounts of solute in the same quantity of the solvent. So, we can get many solutions having different concentration of the same solute. That is you have to remember. So, a particular solution may contain less amount of dissolved solute, whereas another solution may contains more amount of solute in it. For example, try to understand what I'm saying. So for example, let me take now Yelamukil only I will take. I have been given 10 beakers to him. 10 beakers I have been given. Try to understand everybody carefully. Each beaker he has been filled 1 liter of water. How much, Ra? How much,
1 liter water.
1 liter of water. 1 liter of water. So what is the amount of solute? Solvent. What is the amount of solvent here?
1 liter.
1 liter. What is the amount of solvent here? One amount of solvent is fixed. Is it a yes or no? So solvent is equals to how much? Pradosh. Solvent
1
is
liter.
1 liter.
Now, Tamil Selvan will come, Darun will come, and they will start dissolving. This is the duty of Elamukil. Now, Tamil Selvan will come and they will bring different kind of salt, sodium chloride, understanding potassium chloride, some etc., sugar, and some other component, magnesium chloride, calcium chloride, like that. Different solute will dissolve. Now, you guys, you tell me, is it every substance will dissolve, every solute will dissolve same quantity or different quantity? Suppose I have given you Understand, 1 kg of everything, 1 kg of every substance, every solute, different solute I am giving you. Here how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I am asking that, is it every solute will dissolve same amount in every solution or different amount? That is what I want. It is not, understand? Some substances may be dissolved more, some substances may dissolve less, some substances may be not even dissolved. Is it yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is what you have to remember. This is the first case. So, first case, we are making a different solution with a different amount of solute. Is it yes or no, guys? So, we are making many solutions having different concentration of the different solute. Is it yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
We can dissolve different amount of solute in the same quantity of the solvent. So here, the amount of solvent is everything is same. 1 liter of solvent, 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 1 liter of solvent. So here, if you take suppose sugar, so sugar may be dissolved. Suppose let me example 10 grams. Salt you can take. Salt may dissolve 15 grams. Understanding? If you take suppose another thing, it may be dissolved 20 grams. Here if you take, it may be dissolved only 5 grams alone. So is it the amount of solute dissolving is same or different? That is what I am asking.
Different.
Different. So we can dissolve different amount of solute in the same quantity of the solvent. How much? Same quantity of the solvent. Now,
Solvent.
go for opposite case now. Only I am giving you single solvent. What is that? Sorry, single solute I am giving you. Now, case 2, if it comes to here, I have given single solute. Now, let us take again. Shruti is arranging. Now, 4 beakers. Let me imagine. Now, everywhere Shruti has been taken 1 liter of water. How much? 1 liter?
1 liter of water.
Now, 1 liter of water and 1 liter of water. Now, Laksha will dissolve salt, only salt. Salt is the only solute I have given. Now here also salt only. Now you can see here Laksha is added only 1 gram of salt. Here 10 grams of salt. Alana here added 50 grams of salt. Here 100 grams of salt. Now you tell me, sir, everywhere you are adding same solute, then is it the concentration is same or different? That is what I want. Darun. Is it the same concentration or different concentration? That is what. Please respond me. Same solute we are adding. So a particular solution may contain less amount of the dissolved solute, whereas another solution may contain more amount of the dissolved solute. Is it yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Suppose you can take, suppose here, everybody, Laksha prepared 2 solutions of salt solution and Alana also prepared 2 solutions of salt solution. Now, is it the concentration is same or different? That is what I am asking, guys. Is it the concentration is same or different? Definitely it is different concentration. Is it yes or no? Yes or no? Because here only 1 gram of salt is dissolved. Here 10 grams of salt is dissolved. Here 50 grams of salt is dissolved. Here 100 grams of salt is dissolved. So which concentration is more? 100 grams of concentration is more. Understand? 1 gram is less. So even though the same solute is dissolved, but different quantities, we can make different concentrations. Is it yes or no, guys? Different concentrated solutions. Will you accept it or not what I am speaking?
Yes, sir.
First case, we are taking different solutes can dissolve different amount in same amount of solute, same amount of solvent. Now, second one, same solute can dissolve different amounts in same amount of solute. Because you can observe here, everywhere I am taking 1 gram of 1 liter of water, 1 liter of water, 1 liter of water, 1 liter of water. But here, salt is just 1 gram. So here it won't be that much salty. Is it yes, Prados, Elmokil, Maitreyan, Alana? Yes or no? So in this case, we won't feel that much salty. Here little bit more. Here little bit more. Here too much of salty. So we will feel more salty in nature. So that is what you have to remember. By using single solute, what we can do, Rasai? By using single solute, we can make different concentration. Is it yes or no? That is what I am asking. Please speak here. So by using single solute, we can or not? Yes or no, guys? By using single solute, we people can make different kind of concentrated solutions. So each solution is having different concentration. So here you can see, depending upon the amount of solute present, same thing. Some may have more solute, some may have less solute. Is it yes or no, boys? Can you able to say?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? That. So you can see. So depending upon the amount of solute, you can see, suppose we can prepare many salt solutions of different concentration by dissolving different amount of salt in the same quantity of water. So depending upon the amount of solute, present, the solutions can be classified into two groups. That is only. So depending upon the amount of solute present, write it all of you. Depends on amount of solute present in solution. How many categories, Ra? We're making into how many categories, Darun? We're making into two categories. Understanding solutions can be classified into two groups. Present solutions can be classified into how many groups, Ra?
Two groups.
What is that? Can you able to say? So solutions are now two types. What is that? Saturated, and another one is what, Ra?
Unsaturated.
And another one is unsaturated. Please write it. Saturated and unsaturated. Now we will discuss one by one what is saturated solutions and unsaturated solutions in detail. Meeting is going to end. Rejoin very fastly. Saturated solutions, and this is unsaturated solutions. Please join fastly. I will join. We'll make it fastly.